And the president of the Ghana Bar Association, Benson Nuchukwi, is proposing the trial by jury abolished.
Speaking at the opening of the 2015-2016 legal year, he argued such trials do not usually ensure justice in some criminal cases.
The role of the jury becomes necessary in the trial of criminal cases when an accused person has pleaded not guilty. The jury is randomly selected from persons presented by various government institutions who are not in any way involved in the case. They are required to make an informed decision about whether the accused is guilty or innocent. This is based on evidence put before them during the trial. At the opening of the 2015-2016 legal year at the New Court Complex in Accra, President of the Ghana Bar Association, Benson Nuchukwi, opened a debate on the role of the jury, arguing that the lapses in the system do not ensure justice delivery.
How often haven't we wondered about the caliber of persons who serve as jurors? This is very important, as in cases tried on indictment, the summing up of evidence and law by the judge and the juror's appreciation of the exercise has a great impact on which way the scale of justice will tilt. Hence, in a country with very high percentage of uneducated citizens, justice might not be done in many cases if the pool of citizens from which jurors are chosen is quite uneducated.
In October 2011, Ekoforidua High Court Judge Justice Ifo Kosi Kaglo recommended to Parliament to abolish trial by jury for the same reasons. Attorney General and Minister for Justice Marietta Brew Appiah-Oppong charged the jury, police and prosecutors to play their respective roles to ensure that justice is delivered. Supreme Court Judge Justice William Atukuba used the opportunity to advise all key players in the justice delivery system to take a cue from the judiciary scandal and open a new era.
Let us open up a new era in our judiciary in which corruption in all its shades cannot have an influence, actual or perceived. This applies to all participants in the justice delivery. In sounding this caution, I'm not passing judgment on anybody, since what has engulfed us is still subject to determination by the appropriate authorities.
12 cases have been listed to be tried this legal year, which is expected to end in July 2016.